Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, everyone. Mega love shout out to all the subscribers and followers of this channel. Today, we're going to add and subtract polynomials, and this is your teacher, Mari Fadonis. This is week one, quarter one, week two of the K to 12 revised curriculum. Now, let's define first what is a monomial. Monomial is a number, a variable, or a product of a number and one or more variables. So we have 4x, 20x squared y, w cubed, negative 3, a squared b cubed, and 3yz are all monomials. Polynomials are one or more monomials added or subtracted, like 4x plus 6x squared, 20xy minus 4, and 3a squared minus 5a plus 4 are all polynomials. First, let's identify its of the monomials. Why? Now, 17 minus s is not a monomial because it consists two terms. So, if you are going to take the action, this is a binomial. 8f squared g is a monomial. 3/4 is a monomial, but it's also called as rational number, no, but not an algebraic expression. Then 4y as xy is a monomial, 4x and over 4y is also monomial, but it's rational, no? And then negative xy squared over c and 23. These are also monomial, but also a rational expression. Okay, let's have now like terms. Okay, when we say like terms, it refers to the monomials that have the same variables, but may have different coefficients. The variables in the terms must have the same powers, which are like monomials. Okay, so here the like monomials are 4a squared b 4ab squared and negative 5ab squared. Okay, even though the others have the same variables, the exponents are not the same. Like 3a squared b is 3aab, which is different from 4ab squared equals 4abb. Okay. Now, constants are all like terms, which, like here, negative 3 and 0 are like terms. Which are like terms here? Of course, we have 3x and x, okay? And here we have, which terms are alike here? We have TWX and 4XW are alike. No, so though they have, no, magkabaliktad, no, they are still the same. Now, let's add polynomials here. Like, for example, add x squared plus 3x plus 1, okay, plus 4x squared plus 5. Now, first step, we have underlined the like terms. Okay, so the like terms here are x squared and 4x squared, and also 1 and 5. Notice 3x doesn't have like term. So all you have to do, okay, next step number 2, add the coefficients of like terms. Do not change the power of the variable. So we got here, let's combine. We have x squared plus 4x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 5. Then we have 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. That's how we do it, no? Combining like terms. Now, some people prefer to add polynomials by stacking them. So if you choose to do this, be sure to line up the like terms like this. Okay, so from x squared plus 3x plus 1 plus 4x squared plus 5. So let's stack together. Okay, so as you can see, 4x squared then and x squared are lined up together and 1 plus 5. So we got 5x squared plus 3x plus 6. So since walang kasama si 3x, just put it down, okay? Then, let's have this. Stack and add these polynomials. Okay, so we have 2a squared plus 3ab plus 4x squared plus 7a squared plus ab plus negative 2b squared. Okay, by stacking together, we have 2a squared plus 3ab plus 4b squared plus 4a squared plus ab plus 2ab squared. So, since negative here, so we subtract, di ba, sa rules ng integers. If it is like terms, we add and copy the sign of the larger number, like this here, no? So since our larger number is 4 and it's positive, it follows that the sign is also positive. Now add the following polynomials. You may use stack them if you prefer, no? So but if you prefer to just combine them, we can do it directly. So like if we are going to yan. Okay. So we have 3x cubed plus 3x cubed is 6x cubed. Okay. And then negative 7x plus 4x. Since they have different signs, we subtract and copy the sign of the lambda number. That's why we got negative 3x. Next, we have here 2w square plus 4w square. We got yan. So 6w. And then 1 here. So W has invisible 1. So 1 plus, okay, so we get 1. Okay, 1 plus 7 is 8. Okay, so that's why we get correct answer here. And then negative 5 plus 1. So we subtract and copy the sign with lambda number. That's why we get 4. Okay, let's have another. Okay, so we have 2a cubed. That would be 3. Okay. Oh, wait. Okay, erase muna natin. Napakalaki. We have 3a cubed. Let's check later kung tama tayo. Since walang kaparehas yung 3a square, so just copy. Then 5a plus 4a is equals to 9a. 9a plus 3. Just copy 3 kasi wala siyang kasama dito. So let's see if we have the same answer. Yes, we are correct, no? So that's how we do it. We just combine like terms. Okay, next. Okay, so we have here, no, in subtracting polynomials, uh, first step, change subtraction to addition. Let's keep change like this, no? So, and then we can also do the line up and stack them. So we have 3 minus 1 is 2x squared, 2x minus x is positive x, and then 7 minus 4 is 3. Okay, so we have 3a squared minus, then we have here, so by combining, we got this answer. On the study, how did you get it? So because it's 3, negative 3 plus 2, so that's why we got negative 2x squared. And negative x plus, this is plus. So we have 4 minus 3, 4 minus 1 is 3. And negative 4 plus negative 1, that's why we get negative 5. So for this example, we have 9x squared minus 2y squared, that is 7y squared. And then we have negative 3y minus y is 4y. And then we have 1 plus 10. So because negative, negative is positive, so 9 plus 1 is 10. That's why we get this answer. From here, we have 2g square. Okay, so here, mauuna ito. So we got negative g square. And then negative 3 minus 1g is negative, ah, no, negative 3 minus 2 is negative g square. And then just copy the g, no, the positive g since wala siyang katapat dito. And then we have negative 9 minus 3 is negative 12. So that's why we got this final answer. Okay. All right. Find the sum or difference. Okay. So we got here 5a. So we got 5a. Okay, plus 2. So we got here 5 plus 2a. That is 7a. And then 6b minus 3b. That is 3b. So the correct answer is letter or number 3. Okay, number 3. And in here, we have 3B. Oh, I think we have the same question. So that's the answer. All right. So try this in your work, a notebook, and find the sum or difference of the following monomials. Then we will check it afterwards. All right. Thank you, everyone. So, like for example, number one, uh, 2x plus negative 5x, so that's negative 3x. Okay. Then this one, this will become plus. So 3 or 6 minus 2, that's 4. So 4a squared. That's the final answer. And here the answer is 0. Okay. Let's check your answer later. Bye.